Judging others won't make you happy. Happiness doesn't scream. It speaks gently. Welcome to the Change for the Better. Ito ang channel na magpapaalala sa'yo ng tunay na success sa buhay. Sa mundo ngayon na puno ng ingay at kompetisyon, napansin mo ba yung mga taong tunay na masaya? Hindi sila palaging pasigaw. Hindi nila kailangan ipagyabang ang achievements nila. Hindi sila mapagmata o mapanghusga. Bakit? Because happiness has a quiet confidence. When your heart is at peace, wala kang urge na makipag-compete o manghila ng iba pababa. Hindi mo kailangang manira ng iba para maramdaman mong mataas ka. Hindi mo kailangang ma-validate ng mundo para maramdaman mong mahalaga ka. Tunay na kaligayahan, tahimik pero matatag, payapa pero malalim. Part 1. What real happiness looks like. Inner happiness doesn't seek validation. It overflows with compassion. Yung totoong masaya, hindi busy mag-compare. Wala siyang panahon para mag-judge ng iba. Hindi siya obsessed sa likes, follows, or approval ng tao. Kasi alam niya, ang halaga niya, hindi nakabase sa panlabas na sukatan. Ang kapayapaan niya, hindi nakadepende sa ingay ng iba. When you're truly happy, you don't drag others down. You lift them up naturally kasi puno ka na sa loob mo. Ang taong busog sa pagmamahal, respeto, at tiwala sa sarili ay hindi gutom sa validation. Part 2. People who hurt are often hurting. Rude people are often mirrors of pain, not your reflection. May kilala ka bang laging galit, laging negative, laging may sinasabi laban sa iba? Minsan iniisip mo, may mali ba sa akin? Pero ang totoo, baka siya ang nasasaktan. People who are hurting, project that pain. Baka siya mismo ang hindi minahal ng tama. Baka lagi siyang pinagdududahan kaya defensive siya lagi. Baka may trauma siya na hindi mo alam. Minsan, akala natin tayo ang problema. Pero ang totoo, sugat nila yon, hindi sa'yo. So instead of reacting with hate, ask yourself, what must this person be going through? Part 3. Instead of reacting, respond with awareness. Emotional maturity is when you pause, not attack. Mabilis tayong mag-react kapag na-offend tayo. Natural lang yan. Tao tayo. Pero habang lumalalim ang self-awareness mo, matututo kang mag-pause muna bago sumagot. Hindi mo kailangang pantayan ang kabastusan ng iba. Hindi mo kailangang sabayan ang init ng ulo nila. Hindi mo kailangang ipaglaban ang ego mo sa bawat argumento. Sometimes, silence is more powerful than shouting. Maturity means you respond, not react. Hindi dahil mahina ka, kundi dahil matatag ka at may peace ka sa loob mo. Part 4. How you treat others reflects your inner world. Kindness flows from inner healing. Bitterness flows from wounds. Kung anong meron sa puso mo, yun ang lalabas sa bibig mo. Kung puno ka ng galit, galit ang lalabas. Kung puno ka ng takot, takot ang ibabahagi mo. Pero kung puno ka ng pagmamahal at pasasalamat, you will naturally speak love. You will naturally show kindness. Hindi ka mapagmataas. Hindi ka magmamadaling lampasan ang iba. Hindi mo kailangan patunayan na ikaw ang magaling. Because when you are loved, fulfilled, and content, you become a blessing to the people around you. Part 5. Be kind. Not just for them, but for you. Kindness isn't just for others. It's a gift you give yourself. The more kind you are, the lighter you feel. The less judgment you carry, the freer your mind becomes. Kindness protects your peace. Kindness strengthens your heart. Kindness helps you sleep well because you didn't harm anyone today. So don't wait for people to deserve it. Be kind because you deserve a peaceful life. You don't need to compete. You don't need to attack. You don't need to prove. You just need to be at peace. And let that peace reflect in how you treat others. Like and share this video if you believe kindness reflects inner strength. Mag-comment sa comment section ng I choose kindness. Subscribe for more. Tagalog Real Talk on mindset, emotions, and self-growth.